First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is a Samsung tumble dryer that is not powering. It's a dryer I worked on before. Initially it wasn't drying efficiently, so we just serviced the machine and it worked well. This time round it was not powering on, so I had to check the motherboard. The motherboard was okay. I checked everything. There's always a fuse on the motherboard that blows first. The fuse was okay, and the motherboard was getting power. Unfortunately, when the motherboard behaves that way, the main processor is dead. The only option here and the best way out is to replace the motherboard. But the client was tired. He was like, come on, I'm not repairing this again because it has costed some money before. So he told me to take this. So I'll take my time, have a look at it, and see if we can salvage it or get a part from it. A quick one: you have to protect your appliances. Make sure to get a power guard for your appliances, whether it's a fridge, a refrigerator, whether it's a washing machine, a dryer. You have to get the right power guard. You have to service your washing machine, you have to service your tumble dryer, or even if it's a heat pump dryer. If you don't do that, you'll end up spending more on repairs, or you will have to get a new appliance, which is costly. So take good care of your appliances. Check out our channel. We'll be sharing good videos. Kindly subscribe on how to self-maintain these appliances, and you'll save you a lot of money. So guys, thanks for the support.